Hi everybody, welcome back. May Monthly, Chapter 2, Like Our Parents.
Josh looks at more pictures in the album. He sees a little boy with Grandma Barb. "Hey, Dad, is that you?" he asks. Dad looks at the picture. "Yes," says Dad. "That is me with Grandma Barb."
So Josh is looking at pictures. He sees a boy with grandma and it's Dad.
Josh turns the page of the photo album. "This is a picture of me with my sisters, Amy and Carrie. I was 3 years old," says Dad. Josh smiles. "Hey, Dad," says Josh. "I look like you too. And Claire looks like Aunt Amy."
So Josh is looking at the pictures and he realizes that some of the people in the pictures look like them. Josh looks like his dad and his sister Claire looks like Aunt Amy.
Josh looks at all of the pictures in the photo album. Josh looks a lot like his great-grandpa. He looks like his dad too. Claire looks a lot like Grandma Barb. She looks like Aunt Amy too.
So as he's reading, he realizes that Josh looks a lot like his great-grandpa and also his dad, and that Claire looks like Grandma Barb and Amy. So more than one family member can look similar to another.
Josh likes learning about his dad's family. He likes that he looks like them. He thinks about his mom. "Do I have any traits from Mom? I don't look like her," says Josh.
So Josh is asking his dad, since I don't look like Mom, do I have any traits that might be some of her traits?
Josh's dad says, "Clasp your hands together." Josh puts his hands together and sees that his left thumb is on top. Josh's mom also puts her left thumb on top, but Josh's dad puts his right thumb on top. Josh shares this trait with his mom.
So Josh was looking at how he puts his thumb over his hand. So my hand is twisted, but my right thumb is over my left thumb. So Josh shares that trait with his mom.
Josh thinks about his hands. He wonders if Claire has the same trait he does from his mom. Claire puts her right thumb on top. Claire is like Dad. Josh and Claire do not share this trait. How you put your hands together can be passed down from parent to child. Other things can also help decide how you put your hands together, says Dad. "Hey, Dad," says Josh. "Why do we look like our family?" "It's all in our genes," says Dad. "Hey," says Josh. "What do my blue jeans have to do with this?" "No," says Dad. "Not blue jeans. Genes found in our body."
So if you look up here, you'll notice the DNA strand. All of us are made up of DNA and cells. So Josh's dad is saying in our DNA genes, in our body, is where our traits and our habits and our hair color and everything comes from. It all depends on those. So we have great-grandma, great-grandma. We have great-uncle Bill, Grandma Barb, and Grandpa Gene. So then we have Steve, who's Dad, Amy, and Carrie. So that was it for Chapter 2. Make sure you log on and do your Canvas assignments for this chapter.